that beautiful cloud.
How unusual. Look at that storm cloud. Whoa. I've never seen anything like it. Have you?
No, I love it.
Wow. How rare. That's a rare type of thunderstorm right there. We could be driving in it. We could be driving into it in a few minutes. Oh, can't see it that well because we got the highway. Oh my God! Look at the traffic. Oh my God. Oh my God! Look at that. My God. Pretty sure.
Oh my God! This car has the Lion King painted on it.
Oh.
That's crazy. That's funny.
My God. Whoa. That cloud.
Look at that car, Buddha. Right there in front of us. It's the Lion King.
Whoa. Wow. Whoa. Look at that. How cool. This guy must be interested in Lion King. Wow. See the orange in it? In that cloud?
Yeah.
Wow. Whoa. That's gotta be a thunderstorm for a cloud like that. Whoa.
Bumpy road.
Wow. Yeah, we're about to drive right into it. We're gonna drive into it.
I see that.
Wow. Somebody needs to fix this road.
Oh, that's a cool looking car.
Wow. I got it on the side of the frame. Whoa. Looks like a low-lying dense cloud. This is amazing. There's another one coming in behind it. There's another one coming in on the side of it. Oh, and another one up front, and another one behind us. My God. They're gonna converge.
Good word.
Converge. Oh my God, we are driving right into it. Oh my God. Wow. This is... Let's see if we can pick up. Let's see if there's any blackness that could pick up in the back. No, I can't. Let's see if there's a storm coming behind it. I don't really see anything. I don't see much. I do see that. Tired?
Yeah, I've been in the car for a while. It's been like this since I got out of Orange Theory at 5:30.
Yeah, it's usually like that on a Friday, so I believe.
Well, it's even worse when you have rain.
Yeah. It's oh my God. What is up with the road today? Is that a police car that's in front of us?
No,
or is that
just an Acura.
Oh, an Acura. Oh yeah, that's right. Acuras usually have those cool light features on the top. That comes with the HGTV Urban Oasis 2014, in fact.
The one that's in Atlanta?
Yeah, I've been entering for it.
Did you vote for Mookie?
Yes, I did.
Yay!
I mean, this is to get free food, right?
Yeah.
Whoa! Oh my God! I missed that lightning strike over there. Oh my God! I missed it. Wow! This is a thunderstorm for sure. Wow. Wow. Out there, if you let me see if I can get my hand in the screen.